Metamachy, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out a 12 by 12 board with a white square in the bottom right. Set up white's pawns on the third row. On the second row, from left to right, set up elephant, rook, knight, bishop, prince, blank, blank, prince, bishop, knight, rook, elephant. On the third row, in the corners, set up cannon, camel, and camel, cannon. In the bottom 4 by 4 center, the player playing as black determines the order for the following pieces: lion, eagle, queen, king. Mirror this setup for black. Pawn's double-step move can be performed anywhere on the board, not just for their first move. However, en passant can also be used anywhere on the board. Pawns must promote to either a queen, eagle, or lion. The prince moves one space in any direction and always has a non-capturing double-step move 2 spaces in front of it. The prince can be captured from a pawn by en passant on the square that this passes through. The prince may not perform en passant. The prince promotes like a pawn when it reaches the other side of the board. The elephant jumps 1 or 2 spaces diagonally. The cannon moves like a rook, but without capturing. It may only capture by an orthogonal move that jumps over exactly one piece of either side, capturing the first enemy piece beyond. It may not jump over a piece without capturing to move. The camel jumps like an elongated knight, 1 square by 3 squares. The eagle moves 1 space diagonally, then can slide any number of spaces orthogonally in an outward direction, capturing the first enemy piece it moves into. The lion jumps up to 2 squares in any direction or like a knight. The king has an additional initial non-capturing double-step jump move of 2 squares in all directions, including a knight. Each space in the path to the square must be available. The king may not use this move to escape check or move through check. The king may not castle.